Dear students, till now we have understood the topic negative integers and we have applied some operations. We have understood addition of integers, subtraction of integers, multiplication of integers and division of integers. Now our topic is mixed operation. Mixed operation means in math generally there are four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now what if all the operations come in one question? So here are some rules that we will understand and how we will apply them. Number one is BODMAS rule. So here in BODMAS rule, so okay, in BODMAS rule, B stands for bracket and bracket are of four kind. O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Now what is of? It stands for multiplication. Of here is multiplication, लेकिन हम उसके लिए multiply का sign नहीं लगाएंगे question में. So what does it mean? अगर किसी question में bracket भी है, division भी है, multiplication, addition and subtraction है, this is how we are going to solve it. Firstly we will open the bracket, then of, then on third step division, fourth multiplication, fifth addition and at the last subtraction. These are the steps starting from 1 to 5 which we will follow. Second one is rules of bracket. So here you can see I have told you there are four kinds of bracket. So these are the brackets. Now look at the names of the bracket. Firstly let us know what we will name the brackets or what are the names of the bracket. First, this which has a this bracket is called square bracket or box bracket. Second one curly bracket or braces. Third parenthesis or round bracket. Fourth vinculum or bar or line bracket. Okay, so if all the brackets are together in a question, firstly we will open the bar, then at second round bracket, third curly bracket and at the last square bracket. Means from the inside we will start solving. Now rules for a bracket. Rule 1. If plus sign is before bracket, the bracket are removed without changing the sign of the final integer inside. That means if plus sign is before the bracket, what we will do, we will not change the sign of the integer. वो integer जैसा है वैसा ही रहेगा, whether it is positive or negative. प्लस की वजह से उसका साइन चेंज नहीं होगा. Look at the examples. Example number 1. 3 plus in bracket plus 2. So this plus will remain, will not change the sign. So 2 plus 2 will remain plus 2 and 3 plus 2 will give 5. 3 plus minus 2. So 3 plus will not change the sign of 2. So it will be minus 2 and answer will be 1. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 6. So here 2 plus 6. So following the BODMAS rule, here we have three operations: multiply, add and bracket. So as the BODMAS rule says, we will solve the bracket first. So 2 plus 6 will give 8 and 8 will remain positive. 3 8s are 24. Similarly here we will solve the bracket first. 2 minus 6 will give minus 4 because 6 is greater than 2 and as I had told you in the previous exercise, जो साइन ग्रेटर न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू पे होगा वही साइन आंसर में अप्लाई होगा. Now rule number 2. if minus sign is before bracket, the brackets are removed and the sign of the final integer is changed. Just opposite of positive integers, अगर ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस साइन है, जब आप ब्रैकेट रिमूव करेंगे, the sign inside the bracket is going to be changed. All the sign of the integers is going to be changed. So look here, look at the examples. Example first, 4 minus minus 2. So what this minus 2 will be? So 4 minus, this minus will multiplied by this minus, minus minus will become plus. So 4 plus 2 is 6, minus 4 minus 2. This 2 is negative. Is this 2 is not negative? This is positive integer. And now when the bracket will be opened, then it will become a negative integer. क्योंकि जब भी किसी नंबर के आगे there is no sign, that means it is positive. So this 2 is positive and positive 2 will become minus 2. Minus minus plus. Here the sign will be of minus. So answer will be minus 6. See example, 10 minus curly bracket 16 divided by round bracket minus 2, round bracket close and curly bracket close. So here two brackets are together in the question. So operations are there, minus, division, bracket. So we will solve the B one. B means bracket. So bracket. So solve this bracket. 16 divided by minus 2. So as I had told you in the previous exercise, if dividend or divisor, if either any one of them is negative, the answer will be negative. So 16 divided minus 2 will give minus 8. So since divisor is negative here, the answer will be negative. Now look here, minus minus will become plus. This minus will change the sign of this minus. माइनस की वजह से अंदर के ब्रैकेट के साथ जो माइनस का साइन है, इंटीजर का जो साइन है वो चेंज होगा. माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस एंड 10 प्लस 8 विल बिकम 18. क्वेश्चन नंबर डी, दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स. minus 3 multiply by curly bracket 6 divided by 2. So what we will do? We will solve the bracket first. 6 divided by 2 will give 3 and 3 minus 3 will 3 multiplied by 3 will give minus 9. Minus 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, so look here. Here the sign of minus is one time, odd time. So the answer will have the sign of negative. Now look at the examples which will help you to solve the exercise. Okay, 80 divided by 4 of 5. Now divide and off. So we will solve the O first. Off means multiply. Here we will not write multiply sign. 4 multiplied by 5 will give 20, then divide. 80 divided by 20 will give 4. Question number 2, 120 divided by 4 of 5 multiplied by 2. So what will we do? We will solve the off first. Firstly, we will solve the off. 4 multiplied by 5 will give 20. Between divide and multiply, we will solve divide first. So now 120 divided by 20 will give 6. Then multiply it by 2. You will get 12 as your answer. Last example. Minus 8 minus in bracket minus 63 divided by minus 21 plus minus 3 multiplied by 18 divided by minus 6. So what we will do? We will open the brackets. What we will do? We will open the bracket. So here there is no sign. So it will be minus 8. Minus minus will become plus. Here it will be minus 21. Plus minus will become minus. Multiply 18 divided by minus 6. So now we will solve the divide. 63 divided by minus 21 will give 3 or minus 3. 63 divided by minus 21 will give minus 3, and 18 divided by minus 6 will give minus 3. Now what we will do? Now after division we will do the multiplication part. Now look here, the multiplication which I had already underlined this. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 will give plus 3. Since minus sign is 2 times, the number will be multiplied and the sign will be changed. Minus का sign जब आपका even time होगा, it will become plus. Now we will solve further the question. 8 minus 3 minus minus will become plus. We will write down minus 11 plus 9. Finally our answer will be minus 2. Plus minus minus, and 11 has greater sign. 11 is greater than 9 and it has negative sign, so answer will be negative. Now the exercise question. Simplify. Exercise 3 है. Question number 1. In round bracket 4 multiplied by minus 6 round bracket close divided by minus 2. Now how to operate? Among all the sign, solve the bracket. So what we will do? We will solve the bracket first. 4 multiplied by minus 6. Minus sign is 1 time. So answer will be negative. Minus 24 divided by minus 2. Now here dividend and divisor both are negative, so answer will be positive, and 24 divided by 2 will give 12. Next, fourth question of the exercise. Square bracket minus 22 plus minus 8 square bracket close divided by 6. Now between square bracket and round bracket we will solve the round bracket first. Square bracket और round bracket में से हम पहले round bracket को solve करेंगे. So plus minus will be minus. Plus multiplied by minus will be minus. Minus minus will become plus. But जब minus minus plus होता है आपका negative sign रहेगा. Minus 30 divided by 6. Now here again between dividend and divisor, dividend has a negative sign, though since there is one negative sign, the answer will be negative. Sixth question. 73 minus curly bracket minus round bracket 24 minus 20 round bracket close multiplied by 15 curly bracket close. So here what we will do? We will solve the round bracket first. 24 minus 20 will give 4. Then on solving round curly bracket, 15 4s are 60. Minus 73 minus 16 will give 13 as your answer. Plus 73 minus 60 will give 13 answer. Now few more questions of your exercise. Curly bracket 4 plus round bracket 4 minus 5 divided by small round bracket minus 2 minus 6 curly bracket close divided by minus 6. Now what we will do? I had drawn arrows to show which point we have solved first. So 4 multiplied by 5 will give 20, and so on. I had drawn arrows so that you can understand how the questions has been solved. Now this is the last example. (73) of square bracket 85 minus curly bracket 6 multiplied by 7 plus 23 minus 4 of minus 5 round bracket close curly bracket close and last square bracket is closed. All the three brackets are here. So what we will do? We will solve the round bracket first, and where there is a round bracket off sign भी है. Off का मतलब multiply. So minus 4 multiply by minus 5 will give plus 20. Now we will solve the multiply 42 because there is plus and multiply both. So between plus and multiply we will solve the multiply first. 6 multiplied by 7 will give 42 and 23 plus 20 will give 43. On adding both the numbers we will get 85. Now we will open the bracket. 85 minus 85 will give 0 and 73 of 0 will give 0. So these are the questions which I have solved. You will note down these questions also and you will solve homework also. You have to do all the questions in your notebook.